All right, let's get back and talk about what's happening now weather-wise out there for you this morning. Clyde Warren Park we're looking at right now. Still going to be cloudy around the Metroplex. So if you do have to get out and get a little walk in, maybe get the dog out before you head off to work here this morning, use caution around 7 a.m. But I do think by 8 and 9 o'clock, you just might want to stay indoors here because we are looking at the rain and thunderstorms that will be moving in. So keep that in mind. So get out now if you have to. That's going to be changing across the area. Here's what it looks like on radar right now. We actually have two lines of storms we're watching. One moving in from the north and west, and that the other one moving in from the south and west. And where these two start to merge, I think we're going to be dealing with some locally heavy rain. It already is in some areas, but as these lines merge a little bit later this morning over the next hour or two, we will be looking at that potential for some flash flooding that will be increasing. Won't be surprised at all if we begin to see a few flash flood warnings popping up across North Texas. Now we'll zoom in on that area where we do have this severe thunderstorm warning. Comanche, Erath, Hamilton County until 6:45. Maybe hail up to quarter size, some 60 plus perhaps mile per hour winds approaching Hyco right now, and these will move out toward Walnut Springs. Meridian, you're going to be in the path of this as well. We'll zoom out a little bit more, put that storm track on there, and the approximate times at some of these towns that will be impacted by this severe thunderstorm warning that we do have in effect. Again, that goes until 6:45, but you see Alexander, Johnsonville, Hill City, heading up toward Granbury, and eventually Godley a little bit later on this morning, around 7:41 approximately there for you. Looks like that severe thunderstorm warning was just canceled. It was just dropped off the map there. So we'll talk more about that as well. But there's the northern end of that line of storms working its way down toward Bowie, Graham, moving up toward Mineral Wells. And again, where these two merge, I think later this morning we will be dealing with certainly some locally heavy rain. So just be prepared as we head toward the end of the morning rush with those lines coming together. As we head toward midday, we will still be looking at widespread rain and thunderstorms, and that severe potential still going to be there as well for a few more hours heading toward midday today, with that hail and wind threat continuing along with locally heavy rain. And then as we head home a little bit later this afternoon, around the time you're picking the kids up from school, getting ready to head home from work, we'll still see some scattered showers and thunderstorms around, but those will begin to push a little farther south and east as we head on into tonight and overnight. So it should be relatively quiet after that, but we will still have that threat for some thunderstorms hanging around as we head into tomorrow. Now, that severe weather threat does remain low today, but certainly not zero. We already are seeing that here this morning, so we'll have that hail and wind threat along with locally heavy rain continuing, but it is going to be marginal for us with the storms as we head into this morning and a little farther south and east maybe this afternoon. But we'll go with the widespread rain and storms today, about an 80% coverage with the storms this morning, 50% or so as we get into Friday and Saturday, and then we'll catch a break from the rain and storms on Sunday, but that won't last long either. We'll see those rain chances going back up, especially late Monday going into Tuesday and Wednesday, and we'll be talking about maybe more severe weather across the area as well. So stay tuned. Here's what it looks like with that 14-day forecast for you as we go through the weekend. At least it won't be a complete washout, and probably not on Saturday either. We'll still see some scattered showers and storms, but those upper 80s on Monday, then Monday night going into Tuesday. Thunderstorm chances do increase once again through the middle of next week, and then we settle down, I think, toward the end of next week, and temperatures should be slightly cooler by then as well.